thinking, where have we been? Right here, just busy like crazy. Let's catch up. Okay, you probably remember at the end of June we had a big double graduation party for my granddaughter who graduated from high school and my grandson who graduated with his master's degree. And then on July 5th, we moved my granddaughter into this 5-week academic boot camp program. She's got 3 more weeks to get through, and then we move her back home, and then we move her back in the end of August to another dorm permanently. Oh my God, that's hard to get up. Then we are going out west.
Our parents, they want the best of stuff for us. But right now they gotta do what's right for them. Cause it's their time. Their time. Up there. Down here, it's our time.
So this is our time, and I'm so excited. Rick, you excited?
Do I look excited? I'm just excited.
So we're getting ready to travel from New Jersey across the country, out west, hopefully all the way to California. See as much as the country and national parks as we can in about 7 weeks. And we are going in Rick's 23-year-old E350 van. It has had a new engine put into it though. What you got there, Rick?
Got new engine.
Ooh.
So you can like look down in here. And you can see like
Yeah, everything
the
looks
front
brand
of it,
new.
everything is so clean and brand new looking.
And we will be staying in our 6x12 cargo camper. Neither one of us have really been out west, so this is exciting. Most of it's probably going to be pretty spontaneous because we haven't had too much time to plan a lot of it. We were going to go last year and that got postponed because of gas prices. But look, we're not getting any younger. I just feel like the window of opportunity is now. Rick decided he may make a little platform in the back for like a bed in the van. I made some curtains for the van because since it's a window van, I wanted curtains. So I did make curtains to put up. Hey Rick, I know we got a real fun fact about your van. Tell us about your 2000 van. It's an E350, but what's special about it?
The van originally belonged to the New York City Police Department. I'm the second owner. I bought it when it was like 9 years old, 10 years old. It had 40,000 miles on it, and it would have been in service at the time the World Trade Centers were destroyed. So it kind of has a little sentimental value to me.
We really have to get the van and the camper cleaned out, and you know he's got to build that platform for the bed thing, and hopefully we can do that soon. It's just been so hot out here. And he also had 4 new tires put on the van. As I'm talking, Rick is online trying to find bear spray. You can't find bear spray in South Jersey. And he's looking online, and here you can't even get it shipped to New Jersey if it's a certain amount. So, but we'll figure that one out. So I guess we're as ready as we're going to be. Rick and I have done a lot of camping, whether it's in the trailer or we've canoed in and kayaked into campsites. We hiked the Appalachian Trail and camped there. We've tent camped. We camped in Assateague on the beach with wild horses. We boondocked in western Pennsylvania and saw wild elk. We camped in the Everglades and we camped in the Keys. We've done a lot of camping, but everything we've done has been on the East Coast. And this is a new territory. This is something we have not done before. So we are super excited. We're heading west.
Hey guys, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button. You don't want to miss one of their crazy Wild West videos. I guarantee you that.